Ooh. 10:03. My dad just left to the hospital. Actually, let me do that. My dad just left to the hospital again. He had breakfast and he went. I packed my mom and Selena a bag of everything they need. Electronics, toiletries, everything like that. Sonia's on Zoom. But my dad brought us Tom's. I just have hash browns and eggs, you saw. Yeah. I just woke Poma up, but I don't think she's awake. And yeah, so it's just us again. He just left right now. I don't know when he's coming back, but he's gonna be there a while. Kaylee might come. I don't know if she will for sure. We're watching Haunting Hour with Sonia. He's doing homework. Anyways, it won't work.
They won't know. Everybody. Oh my god.
Anyways.
Of course. Oh, yay.
I need socks and I'm gonna clean a little bit. Kaylee isn't coming today. Probably just stop by, but not to like come inside or anything. Not really much to do. But I will be with you guys. Like, not with you, know what I mean. I'm folding towels. We're still watching R.L. Stein, but Sonia's doing homework now because her Chromebook's really slow. Yeah, I'm just chilling for now. I just cleaned the dishes, I took the trash out, I cleaned the litter box, cleaned the bathroom, did some laundry. And yeah, there's not really much to do. Just to keep up with the house, and it's just us three, so it's not like I'm gonna get that big of a mess. And I have coffee from yesterday that I'm still drinking. It is a iced brown sugar oat milk espresso, no cinnamon. Okay, so I am making mac and cheese. Sonia likes her mac and cheese with hot dogs, so I'll probably just put some in her portion. But I'm just making one box because it's just us three. And that's what I'm doing for now. And I'll make these after. Okay, so my girlfriend, it's okay. My girlfriend just brought me these because I ordered them from my mom and like myself for Christmas. And they were only going to be able to be picked up until a certain time, until I realized you can extend it, but my girlfriend was already there. You can see Sonia in them.
But you can't.
Yeah, anyways, so I'm going to open them. These were on sale for $169 and normally like $300. Oh wow, that's all kinds of stuff. Okay, so that's everything in the camera. Wow. I've had some of these, like kind of similar, but they were wired like a few years ago. These are like the ones that you see like people who are working out use them. Nice. Charge me up. Oh wow, those are stuck. They're apparently noise canceling, so we're gonna try them. I'm gonna see what this is. Oh, I don't have Apple Music. Then it has all the charging stuff. This is for it to be wired, I'm assuming. So you can plug it into like your laptop if you can't Bluetooth. I can Bluetooth through my laptop, but it just work. And then this is the charger. It doesn't have buttons. Okay, I'm gonna connect it to my phone, but you won't be able to see my reaction to it. I actually have the vlogging camera, but yeah, I'll use it. Okay, I switched to my camera. That's the air purifier in the back. It's just really loud. So I'm gonna connect it to my phone. It's supposed to be called Beats right here. Okay, they're connected. So now I'm gonna put some music. It's supposed to be noise canceling. I actually can't hear the air purifier now and I don't have music on. Oh wow. Literally, I can't hear anything.
You can't hear it?
No, I can't hear my own voice.
You can't?
No. I could barely hear it. These are nice. You wanna try them?
Sure.
Oh my god, you literally can't hear. Here, let me turn it down. I don't want to hear your ears. Can you hear me?
Oh my god. It's because your hair is like right
Yeah, I know, but I still
Hey,
can't hear you. Yeah.
No, back up.
Whoa! I know, like, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? She can't hear me. So it came with like this case.
Oh, there's beats?
Yeah.
Peach. I thought
Can you hear from the outside?
Wait.
A little, like a tiny bit. Can you hear it? No, I can't. No? I can't hear it. Oh my god. You can hear it like this.
But you can't hear it. Hear it.
Oh my god, you're right. Yeah, I can't hear anything right. But they're really good and they look good.
Wait,
and like
they
if you were to be
break?
working out, like it's not gonna fall off.
I want some.
I don't know if I'm being loud, but
No.
it comes with a sticker. I already have one, but yeah, it came in really nice. I should probably turn this off. Okay, so my grandpa just came by to pick up a turkey because I'm pretty sure I told you guys that we had a turkey since Thanksgiving. So he came to pick that up. I'm gonna take pre-workout right now because I'm gonna work out, and I haven't taken pre-workout in a few days. Every time I worked out, I just kind of just go. So this is the pre-workout I take. It's by My Protein. They only have it online, so just letting y'all know. But yeah, today is glutes. That is what I'll be working out. Glutes is not that intense, so I'll probably just do that in my ab workout, which I do every day. While I read through the powder. I don't know if they have any other. Whoa. I don't know if they have any other. I don't know if they have any other. I don't know if they have any other flavors. I just know this is one we always get. But yeah. Okay, so I just got off the phone with my girlfriend. So now I'm gonna work out. We're doing glutes today. And I'm working out with my headphones on, so we'll see how all that works. I'm pretty sure I'm talking into them right now so we'll see how the quality is because I have no idea what it sounds like. That's the sound of the server. But today's glutes, so I'm gonna go over that workout real quick, and yeah, I'll show you guys like one set of the workout. Okay, so I just finished lifting, like weights. So I'm gonna do my ab workout, which is 10 minutes. Sonia's gonna come join me right now. She's just grabbing her phone to watch videos. Puma's showering in the house, but I just don't want Sonia in there all alone because Puma's in the shower. So I'm just having her come sit out here with me. She'll probably just sit on the elliptical. There she is. Say hello.
Hello.
This is like a chalkboard, so these are like chalk markers. They just are kind of iffy. We need better ones. But for now, this will work. Wow, that is a long check mark. Whatever, nobody else is checking it off.
Some hair, pimple, and then I do with sunglasses, a nose, a smile face, the eyebrows, and then his little swirly
Hair.
Yeah.
Nice. So I just finished working out. I just wiped my headphones because right here is sweating. Ew. But Puma's listening to Adele and showering, so I'm gonna wait for her to finish and then I'll shower, and then Sonia will shower in like 30 minutes when I'm done after because the warm water. Eating half a concha. Zoe is McLovin it. My baby is sleeping. Those are tongs because the elf was in there, but there's her foot. My aunt is going to call me right now. I don't know why, but I'll be waiting for that call. I'm going to eat mac and cheese though. My aunt called. Oh, hello. It's because I'm eating. She just asked like what we wanted to eat, and we were all like, we just ate. Pumbaa, careful. Pumbaa just ate mac and cheese. I'm eating a small bowl of mac and cheese. Sonia ate a pizza lunch bowl, so she's still hungry. I'm still gonna eat some of this. I'm getting the spicy chicken sandwich, like the newer one. Sonia's getting a Happy Meal. Excuse you. And Pumbaa wanted just ice cream because she just ate. So.
Yeah, I was feeling like ice cream, but I didn't want
Anyways, watching Great British Baking Show, the holiday kind. I know there's newer episodes on the other one, but Sonia doesn't really like it. Bowser, waiting for my dad, like always. He's always staring at the door, laying by the door. Just wants his dad. Christina just pulled up so fast with Pumbaa's ice cream. She literally was like, take it! It was so funny. We got fries that fell out. The pregnant woman like fries and ice cream? Anybody likes fries and ice cream. For sure. I got a spicy crispy chicken. I love this. I had it once and I never really get it because it's kind of expensive. Like a little bit, kind of, for McDonald's. But, sorry, I didn't mean to cover your face. They have cute bags. Anyways. Is that Dan TDM? Yeah. I know it. That's Pumbaa's husband. No. Not anymore. It was her child crush. I wouldn't say crush, okay? I did not. I don't normally drink soda, but I've been loving Sprite lately. Oh, that's weird. So, what?
Just a single Sprite. Not the fact. The fact that you only like Sprite.
Oh yeah, I like Sprite and cherry Sprite, even though I don't like cherry. I like that cherry Sprite.
Weird.
Spicy.
Ah!
Sonia always does this. She saw it on a video and never fails to do it.
Me?
Me too.
Nina gave us McDonald's. Well, guess what? I got some water.
Oh, you got to drink water?
Not the sponge, even though you liked it. I was like,
Sonia's still on?
I
The kitten's chasing Wivey and she's not a fan. Bean is pressed a little bit. Oh my god. We let them walk around. Wivey's not, she's not having fun. Walking around. We're not really doing anything. We're just kind of chilling. This one piece of hair won't sit. But yeah, we're just sitting down, doing nothing. Two dudes chilling, or what is it? What is it? Watching Barbie. Doing this satisfying stuff, but I'm gonna go sit down right now. You can finish it. Here, let me mess it up for you. I actually need to edit soon. But I'm just gonna end the vlog here because I'm not gonna do anything else for the rest of the night besides talk to Jocelyn. My girlfriend went to bed because she has work at 4 in the morning. And Pumbaa's on her computer. So it's just me and Sonia watching Barbie. Sonia. We're just watching Barbie. Yeah. Oh, and Bowser and Wybie. There's Wybie eating and Bowser is licking the air. Okay, I actually never ended up going to bed. I mean, not going to bed. Never ended up editing. Yeah, she can't see. But I'm doing her hair because she can't have it natural.
My hair's falling out of my head.
No, it's not.
I just saw my hair come out of my head.
Just be careful. Edited today, so I have to edit tomorrow morning. But we're all in my room today. We're sleeping in my room. But I was carrying, because Sonia wants, because we don't all fit, because we're all the same size. We don't fit on my queen size bed. So I was carrying her mattress with Pumbaa, and I hit the light switch on my way out, because Sonia still has the old light switch. We have, so I jabbed my arm, and it hurts more than the vaccine. I swear to God, I'm literally, like, it's, if you could see it from the side. You can tell a little bit. It's literally a bump right here. Well, yeah, so we're going to go to bed. We're going to watch the rest of Minions, and then we're watching The Cat in the Hat tonight. But we're in my room. It's very fresh in here.
I know, right?
It's freaking hot in the living room. I don't know why. So we're going to go to bed. I will see you guys tomorrow. Yeah.